everybody, welcome back to the Cabin Channel where we're all things outdoors. If it's your first time visiting the channel, my name is Trey and we hike here. That's all we do, we just hike. We are resting right now. We're out at Mount Mitchell, hiking Deep Gap Trail, and we reached our turnaround time, which was 1 p.m. We didn't make it all the way down to Deep Gap. I think we're about a half mile away, but just due to daylight concerns, it gets dark around 5:30 and we didn't want to get caught. There's a lot of ice on trail right now. That's one of the major concerns. We didn't want to hit that in the dark. So we're here eating some ramen now. It's on a cold, it's like 19 to 18 degrees right now and it is cold. So some warm ramen serves us justice right now. There wasn't too many people on trail. I think there was only 2 other cars and we passed 2 other groups or 3 other groups of people. Other than that, we've had a trail to ourselves. It's mid-November. If you want to come out here and hike, chances are you're going to have the whole trail to yourself, but there is ice and snow on the ground. If it was a cloudy, overcast day today, there would probably be a lot more snow. But it's sunny and it's a lot breezier than when I came in the summer. Actually, it's a lot breezier. I'm just gonna hang out here, try to keep warm for a minute, and eat some ramen. We just finished up lunch. We're heading back down to the car. It took us about 3 hours to get to where we ate at, and we're turning around, so we should be able to make it back before dark. We should be able to make it back before 5. You don't want to be navigating this stuff in the dark, especially when it's icy out like this. That's really the main concern. And it's, while we were having lunch, we noticed the temperature dropped on the sun until the sun is starting to set. Yeah, it'll probably be, sunset is around 5:30. And again, we hadn't seen too many people on trail. Want to keep on pushing through. So currently we made it back to Big Tom. It is 6,580 feet in elevation where we're at right now. And for you West Coast people, that might not seem a lot, but on the East Coast, this is pretty much the standard. Some of the highest stuff east of the Mississippi. That being said, you can see the parking lot from here. I'm not sure you can see it in camera, but it's looks like about 1.5 miles, 2 miles away. But this is one of the only spots that you're gonna have a chance to see some panoramic 360-degree views on a Deep Gap Trail. There's not too many opportunities. Everything's pretty much forested up. But it's 3:15 now. We should make it back, I would say, about 4:30, somewhere around that time frame. But yeah, this is a good spot to stop along, have a picnic, or just catch up on some water and get hydrated. But we're gonna keep on moving. So we just made it back to the car, safe and sound, and I want to give you a little bit of rundown on Deep Gap Trail here at Mount Mitchell. You're going to come up, park your car, and then the trailhead is fairly visible. It's at the lower end of the parking lot. You can't miss it. It's well marked, and the blaze itself is marked by an orange triangle, so make sure you stay on trail. The trail itself, if you're looking for views, I wouldn't say this is the trail for you. There wasn't too many views to be had around here, but it's mainly forested and it's very rocky and bouldery. But make sure you bring good hiking shoes, make sure you bring plenty of water, because I didn't notice any water source, but everything was frozen up, so that might have been it. In the summer and spring, if you come out here, it might be a little bit different. But guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If this is your first time viewing out the channel, I do appreciate it. Feel free to give a subscribe and a like to this video if you found it useful, enjoyable, if you like this kind of content. But remember guys, hiking is about a journey and it should be enjoyed. So peace out and much love. Catch you in the next one.